Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm recreating this Milk 1422 look, and if you don't follow their account yet, definitely check them out on Instagram. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notifications every time I upload a new video. To prep my face, I'm applying a sheet mask and massaging unicorn essence into my skin. Next, I'm color correcting all the dull areas of my skin and dark under eye circles as usual. Then directly over that, I'm applying foundation and concealer, blending it out with a wet beauty blender. The first eyeshadow color I'm using is Nudist from my BH Cosmetics It's My Ray Ray palette, and applying that to the inner corner and blending it outward. Next, I'm using Control Freak and blending this out in the outer V corner of my eye and lower lash line. Going back to the palette, I'm using Black Beauty to darken my crease and smoke out the look a bit more. On my other eye, I blend out Nudist in the inner corner as well. Hopping over to my Electric Obsessions Huda Beauty palette, I'm applying this bright pink shade to the outer V area and blending it out all the way to the inner corner so the pink gradually fades. Using the shade Snow from my Lorac palette, I highlight both the inner corners of my eyes. Going back to my Huda Beauty palette, I'm taking this reddish pinkish shade and darkening the crease and outer V corner of my eyeshadow. I do the same again using the shade Friday from my It's My Ray Ray palette. And going once more in with Black Beauty, I darken the crease and lower lash line. Now, after much eyeshadow blending, I'm cleaning up any fallout and concealing and highlighting. For the designs around my eyes and cheek, I'm using liquid lipsticks in colors that closely match Milk 1422's illustrations, with a brush. FYI, some liquid lipsticks stain and they are not meant to be worn around the eye, so apply at your own risk. To create the design around the eyes, I start with this nudie light pink shade and create wispy-like petal shapes. Then I go back in to make smaller petals in between the pink petals using a darker shade and dotting them. Keeping the face chart at hand to mimic the design helps, but of course allow the whimsical design to be organic. It's okay if it doesn't look exactly the same. Have fun with it. To finish off the design, I go back in with white liquid eyeliner and glitter liner, creating more whimsical shapes, swirls, dots, and petals. Along the hollows of my cheek, I mimic the same design, focusing the darker colors along the hollow and light colors above this. For my lips, I mixed a few shades until I got the color I wanted, so play around with it. For the teeth, I layered on a couple of shades following the same color scheme as depicted in the face chart. Take your time with all the details. When it all comes together in the end, it's gonna look great. And finally, the nose. I think you get the idea on how to shape this by now. To finish off this look, I'm contouring, applying blush, and highlighter as usual. Don't forget to highlight your bottom lip as well. And here is the final look. I hope I lived up to Milk 1422 standards. You guys can be the judge of that. Let me know, comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to get notifications every time I upload a new video. And of course, always remember that you are absolutely beautiful. And until next time, bye. Mwah.